After we have finished the setup of the score service itself, we move on to create a service API. This will be done with API Connect. The setup has the same structure as the score service. Getting the platform key we already did, and configuration of the bash automation. Therefore, we need to ensure that we have the right values inside our environment variables. The important variable is the application name we already defined inside the score service. So the next step is enable the script for execution and execute the bash script. In that script, the API Connect service will be created directly in a space we have defined for our project, and all needed information inside the Swagger file is automatically copied, so we can just import the Swagger definition file into API Connect. For details, once more you can take a look inside the log file, which is also created during the execution if something maybe fails. So now go back to IBM Cloud and see, is the service created. We still have our resource list open, and we can verify the existence of the API Connect instance here and to directly open it from the resource list. Now we open the API Connect instance. Core elements inside API Connect are products and APIs. We will import the API, and automatically we will create a product and publish the API. In this catalog we can access and explore the API later. Now select the API definition which was created by the bash script inside our project. You can find here, as you can see. Okay, and that's the file. During the import from the API, we can also define the product directly. We insert the name, and we will not deselect the automated publishing into the catalog, so that we can directly explore our API after the import. Now the API will be imported, a product will be created and directly published to the catalog. So as you can see on the right hand side, everything works. It is published to the product, and when this is finished we go directly to the Explorer and examine our imported API in the sandbox. Here can we directly examine our REST API and also try out. So we can select one of the given operations and just say try it out and invoke the operation, and we will get, sometimes you have to invoke the operation twice if it does not work at the first call. So we got our high score information back and everything worked well, and then we can move on to the functions API.